It's been a while since I've seen you.
Yeah, it has been.
Nana Spencer, senang bertemu denganmu lagi. Sudah lama sejak saya melihat Anda.
I think not since your last general checkup.
Yep.
Kurasa tidak sejak pemeriksaan umum terakhir Anda.
Last year.
Oh iya, benar. Tahun lalu.
Okay. Well, it's nice to see you again, but tell me, what brings you in?
Oke, baik. Senang bertemu dengan Anda lagi. Tapi beritahu saya apa yang membawa Anda ke sini.
I don't even know if this is something I should be bothering you with.
Right.
Anda tahu, saya bahkan tidak tahu apakah ini sesuatu yang seharusnya saya mengganggu Anda.
My son is really struggling. Josh, he's basically living in our basement. And I know that's what kids that age do, he's like 22, do now, but he's really, he's not doing well. He's not eating, sleeping. I don't even know if he's talking to his girlfriend anymore. Yeah, and it's that whole kind of, transition from university, transition into jobs, and, he had an internship, but it didn't go anywhere. We were really hoping that he would be able to get this job, and now it's just slowly gone downhill.
Anak saya benar-benar berjuang. Dia adalah Josh. Dia pada dasarnya tinggal di ruang bawah tanah kami. Dan saya tahu itulah yang dilakukan anak-anak seusia itu. Seperti usia 20 tahun lakukan sekarang. Tapi dia benar-benar, kamu tahu, dia tidak baik-baik saja. Dia tidak makan, tidur. Saya bahkan tidak tahu dia berbicara dengan pacarnya lagi. Dan itu semua seperti transisi untuk transisi universitas menjadi kepekerjaan. Dan kamu tahu, dia pernah magang, tapi tidak berhasil. Kami sangat berharap dia mendapatkan pekerjaan ini, dan sekarang perlahan-lahan menurun.
How long since Josh finished his internship?
Jadi, berapa lama sejak Josh menyelesaikan magangnya itu?
It was the end of the summer. I really hoped that it would continue. They'd pick him up for something else, but
Itu adalah akhir musim panas. Kami sangat berharap itu akan berlanjut. Mereka akan menjemputnya untuk hal yang lain.
Back now. Yeah. When was the first inkling of word for you about how he's doing?
probably around
Tapi melihat ke belakang sekarang, kapan firasat pertama Anda dan kekhawatiran Anda tentang bagaimana dia melakukannya?
Thanksgiving, actually, probably in the fall. He usually gets together with friends. He usually goes out, a couple of times, and he was just not. He was, it's come to a point where he doesn't even come out of the basement. He doesn't have to come out of the basement. Everything's down there except the food. But I mean, right? It's like that.
Mungkin sekitar Thanksgiving sebenarnya. Mungkin di musim gugur. Dia biasanya berkumpul dengan teman-temannya. Dia biasa pergi keluar, kamu tahu, beberapa kali, dan tidak tahu sampai pada titik di mana dia bahkan tidak keluar dari ruang bawah tanah. Dia tidak harus keluar dari ruang bawah tanah. Semuanya ada di sana kecuali makanan. Tapi maksud saya, ya benar seperti itu.
Do you have any kind of communication?
Apakah Anda memiliki komunikasi seperti apapun?
Not effective. He snaps at me. So when I ask him what's going on, it's, none of my business. Get out of his hair. It's like he's 14 again. It's, So I'm sort of worried. I'm thinking he needs to see you, but I have no idea how to make that happen.
What's your
Tidak efektif. Dia membentak saya, jadi ketika saya bertanya kepadanya, apa yang terjadi? Anda tahu, tidak ada urusannya dengan saya. Itu keluar dari mulutnya. Dia seperti berusia 14 tahun lagi. Jadi saya khawatir, saya berpikir dia perlu menemui Anda, tapi aku tidak tahu bagaimana mewujudkannya.
your worst fear about what's going on with you?
Well,
Apa ketakutan terburuk Anda tentang apa yang terjadi dengan Josh?
that he really is depressed. That he really is in a place. Well, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I don't know what he's thinking. I don't know. And I can't get to him. I can't.
Can't reach.
Baik, bahwa dia benar-benar tertekan. Bahwa dia benar-benar di tempat yang baik, saya tidak tahu. Tidak tahu apa yang dipikirkan, saya tidak bisa memahaminya. Saya tidak bisa menghubunginya.
I can't reach him.
And who's got the best connection with Josh?
Dan siapa yang mempunyai koneksi terbaik dengan Josh?
I would like to say I do. But I mean, I think there are things that his dad talks to him about that, you know, he's closer to his dad about.
Of course, it's hard.
Saya ingin mengatakan bahwa itu saya, tapi maksud saya pikir ada hal-hal yang dibicarakan ayahnya kepadanya, tentang yang Anda tahu dia lebih dekat dengan ayahnya.
For me to know exactly what's going on with Josh without having a chance to talk with him myself.
Right.
But you're worried that he's depressed.
Tentu saja sulit bagi saya untuk tahu persis apa yang terjadi dengan Josh, tapi tanpa memiliki kesempatan berbicara dengannya sendiri. Tapi Anda khawatir dia depresi?
Yeah, that's the bottom line. I'm worried that there's really something.
Ya, intinya saya khawatir memang ada sesuatu.
Are you worried that he's depressed to the point of thinking about killing himself?
Yang Anda khawatirkan dia depresi sampai berpikir untuk membunuh dirinya sendiri, tapi kamu khawatir dia depresi?
But you're worried that he's depressed.
Yeah, that's the bottom line. I'm worried that there's really something.
Ya, intinya saya khawatir memang ada sesuatu.
Are you worried that he's depressed to the point of thinking about killing himself?
Apakah kamu khawatir dia sampai bunuh diri?
I don't know. It has crossed my mind. I mean, it's sort of why I'm here. It's reached a point now where I don't even know if he's having showers. Like, I don't know, right? So it's like that.
Yeah.
Dia bilang tidak, saya tidak tahu itu terletas di pikiran saya. Maksud saya, itu semacam mengapa saya di sini. Itu mencapai titik sekarang di mana bahkan tidak tahu apakah bahwa dia sedang mandi, seperti saya tidak tahu. Benar, jadi seperti itu.
Did you ever hear him talking out loud when there's no one else there?
Apakah Anda mendengar dia berbicara dengan keras ketika tidak ada orang?
No, that's his screen of television. But I don't know what's going on. We're not welcome down there. We're just not.
Tidak, kecuali dia berteriak di televisi. Saya pikir itu dia, tapi saya tidak tahu apa yang terjadi. Kita tidak terima di sana. Yang mana tidak?
When he emerges, though, does he look
Yeah,
different?
he looks disheveled.
Ketika dia muncul, apakah dia terlihat berbeda? Ya, dia terlihat acak-acakan.
He lost weight.
Karena dia kehilangan berat badannya? Ya, benar.
So the most important thing is going to be figuring out with you and with your husband together.
Mm-hmm.
We need to strategize on how we can get Josh to come in and to talk with him.
Right.
And I think that's going to work better if I see you and your husband together and we put our heads together to figure out a solution. Because I understand why you're worried.
Yeah.
And it's right to be worried. But we're going to have to figure out a way to connect with Josh.
Oke, jadi yang paling penting adalah mencari tahu dengan Anda dan suami Anda bersama-sama. Kita perlu menyusun strategi tentang bagaimana kita bisa membuat Josh datang ke sini dan berbicara dengan saya. Dan menurut saya itu akan berhasil lebih baik jika saya melihat Anda dan suami Anda bersama. Dan kita menyatukan pikiran mencari solusi. Karena saya mengerti mengapa Anda khawatir dan itu benar untuk khawatir. Tapi kita harus mencari cara untuk terhubung dengan Josh.